back to my channel. My name is Alyssa if you're new, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday summer makeup routine because a lot of you guys wanted to see this video. So for summer I don't really put on a lot of makeup, but when I do put on makeup, this is the look that I usually go for. I usually use every single one of these products time that I do my makeup during the summer. So remember to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And without further ado, let's just hop right into my everyday summer makeup routine. Okay, so the first thing that I do is I put on moisturizer. So for moisturizer, I use the Mary Kay Time Wise Age Ready Moisturizer. It looks like this, and I really like this moisturizer. So I use this one in normal to dry skin because sometimes I have dry skin during the summertime. So I already applied this to my face. After I do that, I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Eye Cream, and it looks like this. It's just a little blue bottle, and yeah, it just looks like this. I put this under my eyes and I already applied this as well. And the last step before skincare, I guess, before I put on my makeup, is I use the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist, and it's just rose water spray. And it looks like this. I picked this up at Target and I'm like obsessed with it. So usually I just spray this on my face before I do my makeup and my face feels more refreshed. So that is it for like the skincare part. So the first thing that I do is I use my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And obviously you guys have probably seen this concealer before. I am in the shade Custard. I feel like that one's so basic, Custard and Vanilla, I think. But what I basically do is I just take it and I go in little dots around my eyes. Letting you guys know I'm not a beauty guru, so I'm probably doing this wrong. So the next thing that I do is I use my beauty blender. It's really like crusty right now and dirty, but I just blend everything in. But the next thing that I do is I use my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I just like to set my concealer because I realized that if you don't set your concealer, you're gonna have crease marks underneath your eyes. And no one wants to have crease marks. So I just take it on this brush from Mary Kay. It's a powder foundation brush. And I just apply it underneath my eyes like so. So the next thing that I do is I use my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette, and I use the shade Shadow Play, which is this middle shade right here. Since it's the summer, I get more tan, so I use these two. So I just apply it and do the little 3 or the E. I don't know, I've heard like probably like Jeffree Star say that. So yeah. So the next thing that I like to do is apply some highlight. So I have these different highlighters that I use on a different like basis. It's just whatever I'm in the mood for. So sometimes I use the High Beam by Benefit, and then I'll use Becca Champagne Pop and the Kylie Cotton Candy Highlighter. So today I'm just gonna use Champagne Pop because this one's too light for me now, and I don't want to look like white, you know? Basically, I just take this side and I just apply highlighter like you normally would. So the next thing that I like to do is I like to apply blush to make my cheeks look a little bit rosy. So I use the Tarte Blush in Party. Sometimes I use this or a NARS blush that I have. You see how it just gives you some color? Like, you see this side compared to this side? Okay, so now that we're done like with face stuff, next is mascara. So what I do is I curl my eyelashes. I use the NYX curling eyelash curler. The eyelash curler that I have is from NYX. So now that I kind of look like I have eyelashes, the next thing that I do is I use my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Okay, so that is it for my mascara. Sometimes if you want to, you can curl your lashes again to make them look longer, except I don't really like to curl my lashes after I put mascara on, but that's whatever your preference is, so yes. Lastly, for lips, I use the Aquaphor Lip Protectant balm, and basically what I do is I literally just apply lip balm on my lips. So this is it for my everyday summer makeup routine. So I hope that you guys enjoyed that video. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And remember to subscribe to my channel because I am posting every Monday and Thursday, and you don't want to miss out on that. So yes, that is it for my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I love you guys. Bye!